Hi guys, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to add website shortcut icon to home screen on your VIVO Y36. The first step to do that, we must open the website which we want to add to our home screen, and in my case it's HardReset.Info. And to do that we must click on the three dots on the right corner and now add to home screen. Now we can choose name of our shortcut icon. In my case it can be hard reset your device, blah blah blah, and we click add automatically, and now we have our shortcut icon on our home screen. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.